Hi, and welcome to a Math Warehouse video on SAT prep involving triangles. This question comes directly from a practice test. I just changed the numbers a little bit, so let's get to it. For the right triangle shown, A equals 6, B equals 8, which represents the value of C. And we have a bunch of different answer choices. Figure not drawn to scale as usual, and as you can tell, this is a right triangle as it shows. So this is just a straightforward question involving the Pythagorean theorem. I have a whole separate video on the Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to give you a 20-second demo of it. The Pythagorean theorem states that a squared plus b squared is c squared. As you can see in this formula, a squared plus b squared is c squared, where c is the hypotenuse opposite the right angle. And I have a video going into depth, but basically it just means that if you put like a square onto each side of a and you square a squared, square b squared, they are the same area as c squared, right? And that's what this animation attempts to show. For our purposes, though, we just need to use the formula a squared plus b squared is c squared and then substitute in the two legs, 6 and 8, and then solve for c, right? So 6 squared plus 8 squared is c squared, and then once we add those up, we will take the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared, and as you can see, that is the answer, 6 squared plus 8 squared. The SAT loves to do this. You know, they don't actually give you that the answer is 10. That's what will happen if you take 6 squared plus 8 squared and take the square root of it. They often provide answers in an alternate but equivalent form. So we were looking for D, the square root of 6 squared plus 8 squared. All right, so it's a very straightforward question. You should definitely know the Pythagorean theorem.